Warning: sulfuric acid is highly acidic and must be handled with care. Highly flammable hydrogen gas will be produced in the steps shown. Do not repeat whatever is shown unless you have the necessary experience and tools needed. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make copper sulfate using electrolysis. First, you'll need copper. I will be using leftover copper wires. Then you'll need concentrated sulfuric acid and water. Here, I'll be using 6 milliliters of concentrated sulfuric acid and 36 milliliters of water. The sulfuric acid to water ratio should be 1:6 by volume. Now you want to connect your copper to a source of electricity. This could be a 9-volt battery, or I recommend a power supply. And on the positive side, or the cathode, this is where the copper will actually get dissolved and will turn into the copper sulfate. On the negative side, or the anode, hydrogen gas will be produced. If you look at the copper sulfate solution, you can see leftover copper at the bottom. This happens because some of the copper dissolved gets reduced back out of the solution in the negative terminal. First, I got approximately 200 milliliters of water and diluted the copper sulfate solution in it. After that, I filtered the solution using coffee filters. Now that I had a clean solution, I boiled off most of the water until there was a very little amount left. After boiling, add a solution with a much darker color than before. After I let it recrystallize for a little, I got 2 small copper sulfate crystals. Now by far, this isn't the most efficient way of making copper sulfate. Eventually, I want to revisit this project, but instead use a much more efficient process.